Okay, so now we're ready to make our finishing touches, the flowers, out of the Model Magic. So you're going to take a small amount here and you're going to roll it in a ball. Okay, and then you're going to flatten it out using the flat part of your hand. Press it like a cookie. And that's, I don't know, about the size of a $50. Not sure if everybody knows what that is, but you're going to roll a smaller amount of the brown, just a little teeny pinch, flatten that out. And before you press it on here, kind of hold it up, okay? And I'm thinking it's a little bit big because I'm going to make petals. So I'm going to cut that in half, roll, oops, flatten it out to a nice circle. It doesn't need to be very thick. Press this onto the center of the yellow and push it down a little bit. And then there's a couple of different ways that you can make your petals. The first one I'm going to try is by taking scissors and cutting 2, 3, maybe 4 times. And I cut right up to the brown part in the middle. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this part here and I'm going to kind of pull and pinch to get a shape that looks sort of like a petal. I can always go back and do some more with that. Take this, pull and pinch kind of at the same time, but you want to pinch at the corner so you get something like a petal. I'm noticing that this is kind of a wide area, so I'm going to cut that. Do that little pull and pinch simultaneously. It's working out pretty nice. Pull and pinch. And pull and pinch. So you have something sort of like this. And then you can kind of flatten it out and go back and just pinch with your thumbs a little bit if you want to. And I think I'm even going to twist my ends a little bit. I think it just makes it look a little bit more interesting. So I'm just going to grab these ends and twist them. The nice thing is, if something doesn't work out, you are able to try it again. Just roll it back in a ball. And then before I decide on that one, I'm just going to hold it up on my canvas. It looks pretty nice actually. And just make sure that I like the size, that I'm happy with it. And then I'm going to make my other 4, but before I do, I'm going to make a couple dimensional leaves. So again, kind of roll, flatten, but this time I want to pull this towards a point and pull this towards a point. Trying to get something that looks kind of like a leaf. You could even try cutting it. That. And then you could even take a tool, or anything really, and kind of press the vein of the leaf in. And then you have a leaf, and let's see how it looks on the picture. These can be added as well, and it's just going to give it just a little oomph, a little bit of excitement on your sunflowers.